Boskangi 5 tarik June engkha World Environment Day. World Environment Day no Boskangu nargui kok disalo Rajakhor Agartala ni Heritage Park Boskango kaisa bicycle rally songjakha. Bicycle rally o narwayangai fai manjakha Chief Secretary G.K. Sinha Salthang Tripura Hangkorfa Dr. Vishal Kumar no khoboi juda juda adongrok. Abai baksa kok disalo Chief Secretary G.K. Sinha te Salthang Tripura Hangkor fa Dr. Vishal Kumar no logirnani bagai juda juda naikongni juda juda adongrok fai manjakmani nukjakha abai baksa bicycle rally bo khlailaimani nukjakha tei abai baksa no environment busuk joratei nangkuk tei environment no sing bahike kaham tori mannai a kok rok no tei kok kchar laikha manjaknai narwai ro.
His team of Science, Technology and Environment Department, Tripura State Pollution Control Board, for inviting me to this occasion. I must say that the difference between earlier years and this year in respect of celebration of World Environment Day is that the Department of Science, Technology and Environment has taken advanced planning and a number of programs have been lined up starting from today. I must compliment both the organizations, that is Department of Science, Technology and Environment, Tripura State Pollution Control Board. In this respect, I have written a DO letter to all the Secretary, Principal Secretary, Director General of Police to celebrate this day through various programs in a befitting manner. I also must thank all the secretaries and all the colleagues who are present here. I don't think on any other occasion I have witnessed such tremendous response that in the morning itself so many of them have turned up here. I must thank Agartala Cycloholics Club members who have always come forward in spreading the message for welfare of society. Only few weeks back, they had participated in sweep program of election department, and whenever such occasions come, they come forward with full enthusiasm to lend their hands so that the message, whatever the government in various departments wants to send to the people, they come. So without taking much time, it is already very hot. I wish both the departments and all our colleagues, including all the brothers and sisters present here, all the best for the World Environment Day's success, and I hope that the society at large will get this message about the purpose of celebration of World Environment Day. Thank you so much.